Alright, welcome back to Understanding Crypto. My name is Herve, and every other day here I try to bring you cryptocurrency in the easiest way possible on the internet. I cover things like predictive analysis, research, and tutorials to help you navigate your way through this vast world of coins and tokens. Today we will be doing a short tutorial on how to buy on PancakeSwap, buy or sell tokens on PancakeSwap using Trust Wallet. In our last tutorial video, we actually demonstrated how to buy or sell on Uniswap using MetaMask. Today we'll be looking at how to buy or sell on PancakeSwap using Trust Wallet. So it will be a very short video because I would assume that well, let me not assume, let me just go through it all. I will actually just create the wallet, link it up with PancakeSwap, buy a token, sell it, and then we should be done. Yeah. First, you need a wallet, and let's go get our wallet. This is Chrome, and I have a Mac, so if you're using MacBook or any Apple laptop, don't use the Safari. You need Chrome or Brave browser. So let's download the wallet here. So this is trustwallet.com. We are downloading it for Chrome. Add to Chrome, add extension. Okay, we create a new wallet. Set password for wallet. So that's our wallet. Easy process. Now let's pin it here for ease of use, and let us set our seed phrase. I'm just doing this to save time. Okay, proceed. So here we need to put in all the seed phrase stuff that we got. Done. Okay, so our wallet is set. Yeah, let's go now and link it to the exchange that we'll be buying from. So we go to PancakeSwap, connect wallet, Trust Wallet. Continue. All right, connected. BNB chain. Switch. Okay, so our wallet is connected to PancakeSwap. So let's send some BNB into that wallet. So here we need to receive BNB smart chain. We need to copy the address here, and I will send some BNB into that wallet. All right, so now we have $64 worth of BNB in the wallet. We go for trading now. To find our token, we go to Dex Screener here, and we type in the name of the token that we are looking for. This token, by the way, I sent it in my DGen channel the other day. I think that was last week. And I sent it at about 2.9 million. It went up to about 10 million, if I remember correctly. That was somewhere around 3.2 to 3.5x, if my math is mathing. If you're not in the DGen Telegram channel, I'll leave the link for you in the comments of this video. So now we go to here where we copy the contract address of the token, and then we go to PancakeSwap. Now we are going to swap BNB for the token. Yeah, so we click here, and then we paste the address of that token. So now we need to swap this stuff. So here we select how much of our BNB we want to swap for Tuki. So let's put 50% there. Okay, before we swap, let's check for the slippage. So the slippage there is 1%. All right, let's see if it's going to work. Swap, confirm swap. Aha, slippage. We need to increase that slippage. Okay, so let's put that at 3% and see what's going to happen. Swap. So now we need to confirm the transaction, and we will get our tokens. Here on BSC scan, we should be able to see it a success here. So if we go back to PancakeSwap and we check our wallet here, we should see our tokens. We have our BNB and the Tuki token. So we've officially bought our Tuki tokens. Now, if we want to sell these tokens, let's see how the price is going. And this is our buy right here, 6,980 to 6,840. So we lost some tokens because of the slippage that we put there at 3%. The extra tokens that we lost goes for things like marketing and project developments and things like that. At least that is how it is for most projects, yeah? So if you're in a hurry or something like that, then you can put a higher slippage, but just know that you're going to lose more in terms of the tokens that you will get for that particular transaction. So that's basically how it is for the buying side of this stuff. Now, if we want to sell, well, you simply come back to here on swap. This stuff is pretty easy. You come back here, click here. Instead of swapping BNB to Tuki, you'll be swapping this time Tuki to BNB. So here you go for max. We want to sell it all, but now we're selling $30 worth of the tokens into BNB. So the slippage there is 3%, but let's put it on auto right here and see if it's going to work. And we click on swap. Try increasing your slippage. Slippage is too low still, 3%. Okay, 3% works. So let's go. Confirm, transaction done. All right. So now we are back with our BNB, but we lost some money there. So we are back with our initials in the account. So that's basically how you do it, folks. You just come here, you're swapping from BNB to Tuki, and if it does not work, all you need to do is regulate your slippage. This works the same on Uniswap and every other platform. You can think of it as being in a queue in front of some shop, and you have to pay more if you want to just skip everybody. That's why you adjust your slippage. Sometimes it will be normal and you won't have to pay so much, and depending on the congestion, you'll have to pay more, or sometimes you pay less. So that's basically it. Swapping, you just come here, you swap BNB to Tuki. When you're done, you want to sell or you want to just take your gains and go, you can then swap back from Tuki into your BNB. Every other stuff here, we don't need to go into that. This is all you need for your trading on PancakeSwap. I think a lot of you already know how to do this, but there were some people who were asking me to do this, and I thought of, sending them some link of some other video, and I was like, all right, why would I do that? So I thought, all right, I have to make a video on how to trade on PancakeSwap using Trust Wallet. So yeah, that's basically it. I will see you in the next video. We will be making our weekly update very soon, so stay tuned for that. But until then, stay safe.